Let's take up nomenclature of organic compounds containing functional groups. First of all, the functional group present in the molecule is identified, which determines the choice of appropriate suffix. The longest chain of the carbon atom containing the functional group is numbered. Be careful, we have to select the longest chain of carbon atom which contains functional group. It is numbered in such a manner that the functional group is attached to the carbon possessing lowest possible number in the chain. This is the second point, that you have to number the carbon chain in such a manner that the carbon atom which is attached to functional group gets the minimum possible number. In case of polyfunctional group means more than one functional group. One of the functional group which is most preferred is taken as principal functional group, and the compound is then named on that basis. The remaining functional groups, which are subordinate functional groups or secondary functional groups, are named as substituent using the appropriate prefixes. The choice of principal functional group is made on the basis of order of preferences. The order of decreasing priority for some of the functional group is given below. Carboxylic acid is given top preference. Second preference is given to sulfonic acid. And third preference is given to ester. Fourth preference is given to acid halide. Fifth preference is amide. Next preference is cyanide. Cyanide gets more preference than aldehyde. Aldehyde gets more preference than ketone. Then hydroxy or alcohol. Primary amine. Carbon-carbon double bond is preferred over carbon-carbon triple bond provided the lowest sum rule is not violated. We keep in mind that double bond can be only preferred over triple bond provided the sum of the position of double bond and triple bond must be lowest. The R alkyl group, C6H5 phenyl group, halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, nitro, alkoxy group of ether are always used as prefix substituents. Thus, a compound containing both alcohol and keto group is named as hydroxyalkanone. That is, OH group is made as prefix and keto group is made as suffix. And suffix for keto group is ONE and prefix for alcohol is hydroxy, since keto group is preferred over hydroxy group. For example, if you have to name this compound CH2OH, CH2, 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 we have written as CH2 thrice, CH2, COCH3 will be named as 7-hydroxy heptane 2-one. Why 7-hydroxy? Because this will be 7th carbon which is attached to OH group. Total number of carbon atom is 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And keto group will be at second position because we have to start counting giving preference to the keto group. This will be first carbon, this is second carbon, third carbon, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh carbon. So we call it 7-hydroxy heptane 2-one and not 2-oxoheptane 7-all because keto group is preferred over alcohol. Similarly, this compound here double bond is preferred over halogens. So it will be named as 3-bromo-prop-1-ene. It cannot be named as 1-bromo-prop-2-ene. So be careful and remember the double bond is preferred over halogens. But on the other hand, alcohol is preferred over double bond. So if there had been alcohol, we must have preferred alcohol over double bond. If more than one functional group of the same type are present, their number is indicated by adding di, tri, etc. before the class suffix. In such cases, the full name of the parent alkane is written before the class suffix. For example, this compound CH2OH, single bond CH2OH is named as ethane 1,2-diol. We write ethane because there are two carbon atoms. 1,2 because OH groups are attached to first and second carbon. Di means two, all means alcohol. So two alcoholic groups are at first and second carbons. So we write 1,2-diol. And ethane 1,2-diol is the complete name because two carbon atoms we have. Two OH groups are at first and second position. So the name becomes ethane 1,2-diol. And common name of this compound is ethylene glycol or simply glycol. However, the ending Ne of the parent alkane is dropped in the case of compounds having more than one double bond or triple bond. For example, this compound, we name it first carbon, second, third, and fourth carbon. There are two double bonds. First double bond is after first carbon, and another double bond is after third carbon. So it is named as buta. Buta means four carbon atoms. Buta 1,3-diene. Buta because four carbon atom are there, 1,3 because double bond are after first and third carbon atom, di means two, ene means double bond. This is the way of naming this compound. Now we are taking various organic compounds or class of organic compounds, their general formula, their functional group, suffix and IUPAC name of the family. Alcohols, ROH is the general formula, OH is the functional group, OL is the suffix, and alkanol is the family. Thioalcohol, RSH, SH is the functional group, thiol is the suffix, alkene thiol is the family. Aldehyde, RCHO, CHO is the functional group, Al is the suffix, alkane null is the name, IUPAC name of the family. Ketones, RCOR, keto is the functional group, ONE is the suffix, alkanone is the name of the family. RNH2 are amines, amino group is the functional group, suffix is amine, alkanamine is the name of the family. Carboxylic acid, RCOOH, COOH is the functional group, oic acid is the suffix, alkanoic acid is the family name. Amides are RCONH2, functional group is CONH2, amide is the suffix, alkanamide is the name of the family. RCOCl are called acid chloride, COCl is the functional group, OYL is the suffix along with the chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride depending upon what we have. Alkanoyl chloride is the name of the family. Esters RCOOR, COOR is the functional group, OATE is the suffix, OAT, alkyl alkanoate is the name of the family. Nitriles are RCN, they are also called cyanide. CN is the functional group, nitrile is the suffix, alkane nitrile is the name of the family. SO3H is the functional group, its prefix is sulfo, suffix is sulfonic acid, alkane sulfonic acid is IUPAC name of the series. COOH is carboxy as prefix, oic acid is suffix, alkanoic acid is the name of the family. This is anhydride. Here suffix, prefix we don't have, we call it oic anhydride, which is the suffix. Alkoxycarbonyl is the prefix for esters, OAT is the suffix, alkyl alkanoate is the name of the family. Chloroformyl is the prefix for COCl, oxychloride is the suffix, or most commonly we used oil chloride, OYL chloride instead of oxychloride. Alkanoyl chloride is the name of the family. This is the correct name and that should be the suffix which we use. CONH2, carbamyl is the prefix, amide is the suffix, alkanamide is the family. CN, cyano is the prefix, nitrile is the suffix, alkane nitrile is the name of the family. Isocyano is the prefix for NC, isonitrile or carbylamine is the suffix, alkane isonitrile or alkyl carbylamine is the name of the family. CHO as a prefix is called formyl or oxo. Al is the suffix, alkanol is the name of the family. For keto group, oxo is the prefix, ONE is the suffix, alkanone is the family. Hydroxy is the prefix for alcohol, OL is the suffix, alkanol is the name of the family. Mercapto is prefix for thioalcohol, thiol is the suffix, alkane thiol is the name of the family. Amino group is prefix, amine is suffix, alkanamine is the name of the family. Alkoxy is the prefix, there is no suffix for ether, alkoxy alkane is the family. Carbon-carbon double bond, only suffix we have ENE. Triple bond we have suffix YNE. These are called alkenes with double bond. Triple bonds are called alkynes. Halo nitroalkyl have only suffix. Haloalkanes, nitroalkanes, alkyl groups are taken as prefix. If they are saturated, the A and E is the suffix. Let's take up example based on functional group, naming of functional group. Here first we identify the primary functional group. This is ester. Once you identify that ester is the functional group, find out this alkyl group. This group is methyl, so we write methyl first. Now this is the parent chain which we count 1, 2, 3, 4. With the second carbon, ethyl group is attached, so we write 2-ethyl. Total carbon atom counting are 4, we write butanoate. OAT is the suffix for ester, which is the functional group. Second example we are taking, longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. The primary functional group is amine. 4 carbon atom are there, with the second carbon methyl group is attached, third carbon methyl group is attached, so we call it 2,3 dimethyl. 1 butanamine because amino group is attached with the first carbon. Total carbon atom are 4, we call it butanamine. So 2,3 dimethyl 1 butanamine is the IUPAC name.